Making coffee using pre-ground coffee. If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. Press the aroma selection button until pre-ground is displayed. Open the beans container lid. Then open the pre-ground coffee funnel lid by pushing on Push. And once released, open the lid. Then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the 1 cup coffee button. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed together with a progress bar, which gradually fills as preparation progresses.